every CCM to support their department to achieve its development recurrent ratio. Skizeni, my friends. Number one, the reason I will not renew your contract, na ujue hapo, hiyo leo. If at the end of the financial year, your department has not done its 30% share towards development, you are as good as gone. Because we cannot just be using our budgets for recurrent. Sindio hiyo? We must do development for the county. So if all you are doing in your budget ni trips za sijui which hotel, uko Mombasa, uko Naivasha, sijui uko wapi, ni chai na mandazi, actually you better resign before I get to you. So development is critical and we must be. So 30% is what the law says. Nataka hata mujaribu ifike 40%. Sawa, as a department, kindly have an eye and focus on development.